Picked up some more quail today. A gentleman was selling quail here locally, and I was able to obtain some more younger ones. They're doing fine. And I'm going to drop down here to our little bunny rabbits. One of the things though that I have here, if you look carefully, is their cage there goes down under. There is a tote underneath that they drop down in, and they go down under. They stay down in there. If it rains or blows, or when they have their babies, she'll put her little babies down there and keep them safe. These are two females in here now. They're sisters. I'll be taking the one female out and putting her in a separate cage, and then this little one right here is pregnant, so that way she'll have her little nesting box down in there, totally away. And that way the little rabbit goes down the hole and feels safe and secure. Nature at its finest. You all have a blessed day.